Axolotl. Axolotls are amphibians that live in the lakes of Mexico. They look like a combination between a lizard and a salamander, and they can grow up to 18 inches in length. Not only are they unique looking, but they also have some unique qualities as well. For example, axolotls have the ability to regenerate lost body parts such as their tail, limbs, and even organs. This makes them one of the most studied animals by scientists around the world who are trying to understand how regeneration works on the cellular level. Axolotls also have an unusually long lifespan for amphibians, sometimes living up to 15 years in captivity. In the wild, however, their life expectancy is much shorter due to predators and environmental factors like pollution. Despite this, axolotls remain an incredibly interesting creature with many mysteries still left unsolved by scientists today. Blobfish. The blobfish is a deep-sea fish found in the waters off of Australia, New Zealand, and Tasmania. It has a gelatinous and slimy texture that is unlike any other fish. Its flattened body allows it to float just above the seafloor, where it feeds on small invertebrates such as mollusks, crustaceans, and polychaete worms. The blobfish can survive in depths as low as 2,000 meters, where the pressure is up to 120 times greater than at sea level due to its lack of a gas bladder and its ability to compress itself when necessary. It also has an unusual physiology. Its skin contains no muscles or cartilage, so when brought to the surface it collapses like jelly due to decreased water pressure. This makes the blobfish one of the most unique creatures in our oceans. Additionally, they are slow-moving animals and likely feed by suctioning prey into their mouths or simply engulfing them with their soft bodies. Blue sea dragon. Blue sea dragons are a species of seahorse found in the waters off Southeast Australia and Tasmania. They have an iridescent blue body with white stripes, and their long tails often curl around coral or seaweed to help them blend in with their surroundings. They feed mainly on plankton, but will also take small crustaceans when available. Their lifespan is approximately 2 years, and they reach sexual maturity at 1 year old. Female sea dragons carry up to 200 eggs in a special pouch on her tail before releasing them into the water for fertilization by the male. After fertilization, it takes about 3 weeks for the baby sea dragons to develop from larvae and begin swimming independently near the surface of the water. Chinese giant salamander. The Chinese giant salamander is a species of aquatic salamander that can grow up to 6 feet in length and live for over 60 years. It is the largest amphibian in the world, and is native to rocky mountain streams and lakes throughout China. The species has been classified as endangered by the IUCN Red List since 1996 due to population declines caused by habitat destruction, pollution, and unsustainable collecting for consumption or traditional medicine. It is estimated that fewer than 10,000 individuals remain in the wild. In response to its endangered status, conservation efforts have been implemented, including captive breeding programs with the goal of reintroducing animals back into their natural habitats. The species has also become protected by law in China since 2001. Fishing of this species without a permit is illegal throughout much of its range. Despite these conservation efforts, habitat destruction remains one of the greatest threats facing this unique animal due to human development such as dam building on rivers and agricultural runoff pollution which degrade water quality. Dumbo octopus. The Dumbo octopus is a fascinating and unique creature found in the deepest parts of the ocean. It has some remarkable adaptations that make it stand out among its peers. This species, which was discovered in 2009, can be found at depths of up to 4,000 meters below sea level. Its most distinguishing feature is its 2 large fins located on either side of its head, similar to Disney's Dumbo elephant character, that it uses to propel itself through the water. The octopus also has an elongated body which allows it to squeeze into tight spaces. Its soft body allows it to maneuver with ease and grace in the dark and cold depths of the ocean floor. Furthermore, this species has an amazing ability to change color for camouflage purposes, from red or purple hues during mating season to brown when hiding from predators, making them even harder to find. Geographic. Geographic are a species of antelope native to the Horn of Africa and the African Great Lakes region. They have long necks, large ears, and slender limbs that make them look like a cross between an antelope and a gazelle. Geographics are herbivorous browsers, meaning they feed on plants such as shrubs, bushes, and trees. Unlike other antelopes which must graze on grasses, geranooks use their long neck to reach for leaves high in trees. This unique feeding strategy allows them to survive in areas with little food or browse food that other animals cannot reach. The geranook also has several adaptations that help it find food during times of drought, including the ability to go without water for up to 2 weeks. Geranooks live in groups of up to 20 individuals, but these group sizes can vary greatly due to seasonal changes in vegetation availability. They typically occupy dry scrublands or open woodlands where patches of tall grasses can be found interspersed with rocky hillsides or thickets of low-growing shrubs. Yangtze giant softshell turtle. The Yangtze giant softshell turtle is an endangered species of freshwater turtle native to China. It is one of the world's rarest turtles, with only 4 individuals known in the wild and a single captive individual living in Suzhou Zoo. The species has been listed as critically endangered by the IUCN since 1996 due to habitat destruction, poaching, and overcollection for food. This species can grow up to 3 feet long and weigh more than 200 pounds. Its carapace, upper shell, is smooth rather than scaly like other turtles, giving it its name of softshell turtle. Its carapace also features 2 distinctive yellow lines running along each side from head to tail. The Yangtze giant softshell turtle eats a variety of aquatic snails, clams, mussels, as well as caterpillars and fish. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, make sure to subscribe for more.